So hello guys, welcome back to King's Online channel. So my name is Asif Rahman. So today in this video we'll just speak about a very interesting product which we got from Amazon. So this is the product. Let's unbox it and see what's inside this. I know what's inside this, but let's see again. So guys, I have got this very cheap knife to cut this. Let me see. So I have a key. So let's see what's inside this. I know what's inside. Let's open this box. So in this box we get another box. Oh my god, this is another box. There's something else. So it's just a paper, so I think it has covered this box. I removed that. So there is a plain box. In this box we get something interesting and very cheap. So we get one USB cable and this is a speaker, a Bluetooth speaker, which is pretty good by quality. So guys, to be frank, this overall quality is very good. See, you can feel that is build quality is somewhat looking like premium, but it's not premium, but looking like premium. So above here we got 5 buttons. One is for mode changing, there is another one is for power button, then one is for picking up calls and pass play button, then plus and minus button for the volume, it seems. So here we got 2 indicators, and if you open this rubber cap we can see some of the ports for micro SD port and USB port and pen drive port and also aux pin port. So this is pretty interesting. So guys, before I'll say this price, how much I got this, let me see this actual quality, how it will be audio quality. So I'll just turn it up. I think it's a full volume. So let me play one song here. So see the actual quality, how it is for worth it. Will is worth it for not? Let me see right now. Oh god, if I play song now I'll get copyright strike. So I'll just go to YouTube. So here YouTube will find some songs which can be, yeah, let's play this. There is a non-copyright strike. Let me turn on the Bluetooth. So I forgot to pair this. Wait, let me pair it. Is very loud guys, it's really loud in this room. I think you are hearing by this mic. I just speak to the mic. So let me play. So let me check out another song. This is very loud guys, I'm really impressed by this quality. It's really good. So let me see another song. 2 speakers, here's one of the speaker, here's one speaker. So guys, to be frank, this is not any sponsored video which I'll give you some unknown stuff. So for the price range, this is a very good looking, very premium looking, not actually premium. This is a very rubberized, and the company says it is splash proof, so you can use in with wet water or drops, something like that. So no problem, but don't dip inside the water and test it like a JBL speakers, which I actually do. I think even this has also copied from one of the JBL model, which I've seen this type of speaker in JBL. So there is no company name, nothing here. You can stick any red color JBL sticker here. So red color, there is a subscribe button below that. Please press that subscribe button to subscribe my channel, so that can turn gray. I know it's bad joke. Again the bad joke. So guys, don't forget to subscribe the channel and like this video and share this video with your friends. To be honest, this is a very good at this price range. I won't expect this much. Bass is clear, our vocals are clear, treble is somewhat good. So overall this speaker is worth for 400 rupees or 350 rupees. If you are looking this for below 500 speaker, Bluetooth speaker, and even for something functions like this type of ports, this is actually worth for this rupees. So I hope you enjoy the video. Even I like this speaker. I'll just keep it here for the connecting laptop songs. So this much guys, so please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel and share this video with your friends who is looking for this speaker. I'll just leave the link in the description box. You guys go and check it. So overall, thank you guys.
Brother, it's caught in the crossfire. It's caught in the crossfire.